This is going to be the most comical bloody video ever. It's going to be like this, like that, like this, like that. Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in a complex called El Cielo. And not only have we got that view behind us, we've actually got a special guest who's going to describe the whole apartment. Diane's with us today. So what's really nice about this one? What do you think would sell this apartment?
Well, I think the tranquility that it has, like the location. I think it's in the best location of the Costa de which is in Playa Paraiso.
Yeah.
Easy access to get in here, so it's like around.
We have got someone grinding a blessed tile or something like this over here, but as she says, it's not every day. But
yes, it's not every day, but
someone's just doing some work.
But
it is a nice tranquil complex. When we walked in, I mean, we didn't see anyone at all.
It was very clean. The complex
really
is very nice and clean.
They're
like, how do you say, well kept.
Yeah, well kept complex.
Complex. And also like the sea view that it has.
That's nice down the
two views. Yeah. So you have the sea, and then you got some mountain views up there.
Yeah.
You got.
There's a pool, isn't there, down here?
There's a pool down here. You can use, I think, the other, because there's 2 pools of the face
A
and face B. So if you have, well, it's always quiet in the pool.
Okay.
But you can also use.
Because it's more residential, this complex, isn't it?
It is. It's a very residential area. And then you got, going down the road, you have several restaurants in Roca Negra.
Yeah, Roca Negra at the end.
Yes, it's a well-known. Is it a chill out?
Yeah, like a chill out place. Yeah, something like that. What about bus stops? There's a bus stop probably at the top of the road here, I guess.
There is. Bus connection is good.
Yeah. And then you've got some restaurants at the top here.
Restaurants, bars, cafeterias.
A little supermarket. I saw that there as well.
You have 2. Local supermarket and the Y.
And the what?
Y supermarket.
Y. Oh, right, yeah. A little supermarket. Okay, so we've got some local supermarkets around.
Local supermarkets.
Okay.
Saying it would be.
What about beaches?
Beaches. Oh, you have Puerto Partito.
El Puertito over there. Sorry, yeah.
So it's quite known.
Yeah.
And then you have the beach of Hard Rock Cafe, which is at the bottom, or you can also use that one.
Oh, that's the one in front of the Hard Rock Cafe swimming pool.
Between the Valley, is it Colina? Then yes, you have 2 beaches. You also have Cayo Salvaje.
That's a nice beach there as well. It's good. All right then. Thanks very much. So let's have a look around. So we're coming through the main door here, and then on the right-hand side, straight away, we've got the kitchen. Nice kitchen, fitted out nicely. Nice bit of storage area at the end here. Got a fridge, freezer, and that looks out onto our lounge. So the lounge is nice and bright. Such tall ceilings here as well. So we've got lounge, television, bit of storage, and then out here onto the terrace, but we'll leave that for a minute. So we've got a bedroom here, and this has got access out there onto the terrace here, and has its own wardrobe. Then into the lounge again, turning round to the right, and then down here we've got a toilet and a basin. And we were talking it would be quite nice to have a shower in the back here as well, so it's something you could probably do. I'll show you that now, walking back down this little hallway here. So there are some cupboards here, and then this is the back here. This wall here is the back of the toilet. So the idea could be that you could perhaps elongate it a little bit here and then have a shower and a toilet and a hand basin. That way then, when this door is closed, you'd have some wardrobes here, you'd have your bathroom here and the bedroom here, and then this would sort of go along here to be an extra wall. So turning right here into this second bedroom of the house, but I mean this would obviously be the master bedroom because it's got its ensuite bathroom just around the corner here, and again access out onto the terrace and then to the master bathroom. Nicely set out, really nice, as Diane was saying earlier, nice and quiet complex. I know we had that guy doing his tiles or something like that, or whatever they were doing, but just really nice tranquil complex. So we'll go from the lounge and then we'll go out onto the terrace here. So this terrace is absolutely massive. You've got a seating area here for 4 people. That's undercover. So this is proper covered over here so you can keep the shade. They've even got some curtains here, I've just noticed. And then we've got this massive terrace. I mean, it's so big. You're taking a proper walk along it. We've got a sofa here. We've got 2 sunbeds there as well. And we've got a view down the valley straight out to sea. So that's really nice as well. Absolutely fabulous complex. There are a few stairs, you need to consider that. There's A few stairs to get to the apartment. We're on a top floor apartment here. A couple of steps to get into the complex itself. So not ideal if you're a wheelchair user, but when you're here, oof, absolutely fabulous place. So that's our 2-bedroom, 1 full bathroom and WC apartment on El Cielo in Playa Paraiso, and it's also got this fantastic view behind me. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.